10 things that you must know about Chennai flood. The 2015 Indian southeast coastal floods resulted from heavy rainfall during the annual northeast monsoon. They affected the South Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and the Union Territory Puducherry. The city of Chennai was particularly affected, receiving its highest ever rainfall recorded in November. Nearly 500 people have died due to the floods. Even more tragic part is that it took 200 people dead to catch central government attention. And there are over 1.8 million people affected by this flood. As Tamil Nadu is the most affected region, there are nearly 456 deaths. While in Andhra Pradesh, there are 35 people dead. And in Puducherry 2 people died due to flood. There are not only loss of life, but also many buildings, roads and bridges have fallen on ground. It is estimated that flood cost more than 20,000 crore rupees, in which Tamil Nadu has lost 8,481 crore. While Andhra Pradesh and Puducherry have lost 3,819 crores and 183 crore rupees respectively. Chennai received 104.9 centimeters of rainfall in November, the highest since receiving 108.8 centimeters in November 1918. And also it has received more rain than the wet country United Kingdom receives in the entire year. The flooding in Chennai city was described as the worst in a century. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha announced an initial allocation of 500 crore for relief and rehousing, with 4 lakh for each family who had lost relatives in the floods. Industry analysts estimated the total industrial losses as a result of the floods to be in the range of 10,000 to 15,000 crores. Prices of vegetables and fruits significantly increased, as over 50% of supplies were affected due to numerous lorries becoming stranded. The Indian Oil Corporation was forced to close its large Manly refinery in Chennai due to the floods. On the 22nd of November, the central government released an initial amount of 939.63 crore rupees for immediate relief efforts in the state. And on the 3rd of December, central government sanctioned a further 1,000 crore rupees. On December 2nd, Prime Minister Narendra Modi did an aerial survey of the flood-hit areas, and met with Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He sanctioned an additional 1,000 crore from the Prime Minister Relief Fund.
Facebook activated its safety check feature to allow Chennai residents to let friends know they were safe, while Google posted a link on its homepage called Resources for the Chennai floods, providing details about relief camps and updates on the situation in the city. The Karnataka government announced on the 2nd of December that it would donate 5 crore rupees in relief funds to Tamil Nadu. On the 3rd of December, the Bihar government announced that it would donate a further 5 crore. But never mind, because Tamil Nadu government refused to take any help from other states.